Hi, Kyle. Yeah. There. Baby shark.
Again, first of all, I'm so honored to be a part of this cast. Like, even to be sitting here is crazy. Honestly, I'm so nervous. And to answer that question, since I've already worked with Kyle, to be working with all of these people is so nervous. Kasi syempre, as a baguhan lang din, I'm trying my best to observe everything and do the right thing as an actress, as I am introduced now as an actress. So, working with Kyle and Donnie has been so much fun. Kasi hindi nila pinapa-feel sa akin na I'm a baguhan. And they very much welcome me in this cast. So did everyone else. Sorry, natatawa ko. Wala lang. Happy lang, di ba? Happy naman.
Ang mga naalala lang si Kai. Siguro yung mga TikTok videos na ginagawa nila doon. Baka lang naman.
Di ba happy? Super happy. Happy ka ba?
Oh, sobra ba?
Di ba? Diba?
Si Kayo,
alis muna tayo.
Si Kayo tinatanong ko dito.
Tanong ako ba?
Okay, sige.
Syempre naman, kasi those happy moments were shared with Kyle and these other wonderful cast. So it was fun, and also as Harvey said and Emilio that on set it's still fun, but professionalism is practiced and is there. So as a baguhan, nakikita ko yun and I adapt to that, and it's really great to be a part of this. And as my first show, like long-term show, I'm very happy to be a part of it, and yeah, 2 more happy moments.
Oh. Happy?
Happy.
Okay. Okay. Just a follow-up right here from Jeffrey Olila Garcia, Jeff Oligar TV. I think nasagot na ni Kai yung katanungan, but if you have any follow-ups regarding this is your official teleserye debut. After your cameo appearance in Saving Grace and your remarkable performance sa MMK with Kyle, what was your biggest challenge or task na hinarap mo during the tapings of Roja? I think nasagot mo na, but do you want to add more?
My biggest challenge.
Biggest challenge.
I guess my biggest challenge is waiting. Kasi hindi naman.
Welcome to the taping world.
Let me explain myself. So parang kasi yan. It's a waiting game talaga. And grabe, hindi na ako yung naghihintay. Everyone else is waiting. Everyone. But then that's the beauty of this job. Because as you wait, there you get to think about what to do with your time. Will you spend it wisely, or do you decide to do something else? So in those waiting times, iniisip ko, should I run through my lines? Am I doing this good enough? Emilio, what do you think? You know, parang ginagawa ko ba ito na
Napapraning ka na rin, di ba?
Yes! Kasi, wait lang, call time ko na, di ba? Wait lang, what time is it pa ba? Pero, in those waiting times, even if it's a struggle to think about what to do, again, I'm very thankful that this is the cast that I have to deal with because they're so much fun. And I'm always with Emilio and AC and most of the people here, so thank you to them because they really helped me push through as a baguhan. Kaya, props to us!
Kaya just to remind you, this is Roja, not BBB, ah. Kala mo
Kuya?
parang nasa confession room ka.
Sorry po.
No, but we love Kai being so candid and all with her answers. And tama naman, di ba? Again, welcome to the taping world. Kaya saludo ako sa mga actors and actresses because that's part of the job. The waiting game. But kung ganito naman yung family na kasama mo, it's so fun. And also, yung, di ba, ang ganda ng location nyo. So you have the opportunity to unwind and relax over there. The last question right now. is dedicated to Uno. Okay, no pressure, Sir Joel.